Okay, let's learn Blackwater from the Doobie Brothers. First of all, we have to double drop D tune. The sixth string and the first string both drop down to D. Also, I'm left-handed, so watching me is like looking in a mirror, okay? So we're gonna start here with the fifth string, first fret, and slide it to the second fret. This is a finger-picked song, so I'm gonna use my thumb like that. Gives a nice soft tone. And then open fifth string. Just like that. Practice that a little bit. Now while that string's ringing, you've got to pluck this triad and then the open first string. What's this triad? A minor 7, second string, first fret, jump over to the fourth string, second fret, and the third string in between is played open. So we're gonna pluck 2, 3, and 4, like that. Middle, index, thumb. And then I'm gonna pop the first string, in this case using my middle finger. Like that. Try to get a little cleaner. That's better. Okay, that's how the verse starts, and then it's going to quickly do this, which is the sixth string, second fret, slide to the fourth fret, and then open and let it ring. So we started with a little triad pop, and then the first string, and then we go right into that. That's a better one. Okay, and then after the string is ringing, the open sixth string is ringing, you're gonna do this. Hit the open fourth string, hammer onto the second fret. I like to use my middle finger. And then we're gonna hit the third fret of the second string. And I like to use my ring finger, so. And then we're gonna pop the first string like that. So it sounds like this. Open fourth string, hammer on the fourth, hammer on the second fret, and then we're gonna hit the second string, third fret at the same time now with that third string, second fret note. So it just sound like this. And then the open first string after that. Okay, that's how the verse of the song goes. It's just those two chords back and forth. Try to get them clean. That's a little better. I'm already getting better at it. See, this is a tough song, so take your time. I'm learning it myself, and I hope you can play it better than I can, and we'll go over the chorus in the next video.